Hey, Brian from brianschwartz.com here, and this is going to be a review and in-depth look at Marketing Boost. Now, this is one of my personal favorite tools, so if you're not sure if it's right for your business or if you're a little bit confused on how it actually works, stay tuned. All right, thanks for watching that quick introduction. Now let's go ahead and jump into this video. First things first, if you haven't already, make sure you do please subscribe to the channel. I do post a lot of different reviews and tips and trick videos relating to digital marketing and affiliate marketing. So here we are inside of Marketing Boost. This is what you'll see when you first log into your account. Now, if you're not familiar with what Marketing Boost is, it's actually an incentive-based marketing service or tool that allows business owners and entrepreneurs to offer different incentives. The three types of incentives that you could offer through Marketing Boost are vacation incentives. These are probably the most popular. You can also offer restaurant incentives like dining certificates and even hotel savings gift cards, which can be used not just on hotel savings, but also for car rentals and different excursions and activities, which is pretty cool. Now, why would a business owner or entrepreneur want to use Marketing Boost in their business? Well, it's pretty simple. So incentive-based marketing is a strategy that's been around for a very long time. Companies and corporations have been using this for years and have generated billions of dollars in revenue. Now, in the past, it's only been available to these larger corporations because giving away vacations costs a lot of money. That is until today. With Marketing Boost, you have the ability to give away unlimited vacation vouchers to your customers and clients. I mean, how cool is that? So now that you understand what Marketing Boost is and the general idea behind it, I'm going to show you and give you a walkthrough of the back end of Marketing Boost. So let's start off by showing you what the vacation incentives would look like when you were going to send one to a client. So you just either come down here or you can go up to the vacation incentive tab here. Once you do that, you can watch this quick video, which will show you how to send your vacation incentives and your certificates to your clients. But otherwise, it's pretty simple, self-explanatory here. You would just have your business name here. Now, if you're on the Platinum plan, which is more for agencies, at this time you can have up to 5 different business names. But right now I am just on the Gold plan, which is pretty much the most popular plan. This one is their middle tier. You can just have one business name. So I just have my business name there. Then this is where you're going to fill out your customer or your client's name and information. So you fill out their name, who you're sending this to, their email address. So they'll get an email from Marketing Boost with all that information. And then I definitely recommend, and so do they recommend putting in a phone number. This will actually send them an automated text letting them know that they've received their certificate and a custom message. So if you want to thank them for purchasing something from you or for opting in on your lead page or just anything in general, send them a custom message, let them know why they're receiving this in case they forgot. Maybe it was a while ago when they signed up for it. Then down here, you'll have the option to select which trip they qualified for or which trip they wanted. Make sure you discuss that with them up front or you tell them up front what trip they're getting. Don't just send them a random one. I find that asking what trip they want ahead of time, if I know them or if I've worked with them in the past, works. Otherwise, you can just say, in your sales pitch or your opt-in page or whatever it is, you can just say, hey, anyone that signs up or purchases gets a trip to Cancun, right? And that way and they know what they're getting. So you just select that option here and then you hit generate vacation incentive. Once you do that, like I said, your client or your customer will receive an email and or a text message with all the information they need to go ahead and redeem that voucher. Now, it's important to note that with these vacation vouchers, they only have 7 days to activate their certificate because they have a little code that's going to be generated and they have 7 days to do that. Now, that doesn't mean they have to book anything within those 7 days. They actually have up to 18 months from the time of the redemption of that certificate to set and book those travel dates. So definitely relay that to your customers. Let them know that they will need to activate that once they get it within 7 days, but they don't have to feel pressured to book anything for up to 18 months. Now let's jump over to the printed certificates. So these were the digital certificates that we're sending them. You can also send or print out these certificates, which are, again, vacation certificates. They're the same exact thing as the digital ones, but these are perfect for anyone that are doing raffles or want to raise money for a charity or donations. And they work the same way. So you would just select your business name, select the certificate type, which is the location, and then how many you want to print out. You can print up to 50 certificates, and then you'd hit generate a printable PDF. And once you do that, go ahead and select our information here, Mexico, and they'll be able to choose. So we'll generate a printable PDF. And once we've done that, and you can see I've sent some out in the past, view that PDF here. And this is what it's going to look like. So it's really high quality certificate. It has all the information on here. It has their different codes and everything, the retail value, their choices. And of course, it's going to say compliments of your business name. So again, these are great to hand out to people at fairs or event centers or to raise money during a charity or a raffle event. So let's go ahead and exit out of here. Now let's take a look at the restaurant incentives here. Now again, restaurant certificate incentives are pretty similar. You just fill out your business name, select your voucher amount, $100 or $200, and put in the client information here. The restaurant certificates do have a standard $7.95 activation fee for every $100. So $7.95 for the 100 or double that for the 200. You can actually pay the activation fee for them if you would like. So if you know the client and you're just giving them this as a bonus or something, you can pay that fee for them up front, or they can do that themselves once they go to activate. The restaurant certificates, they basically apply towards different coupons and savings that they can get exclusively through these certificates. So definitely worthwhile for them. Let's take a look over at the hotel savings cards now. Like I said previously, you can use these not just on hotel savings, but also on different car rentals and activities. You can offer up to $300 in savings. I find that the $200 is probably the most popular, although I do like to offer the $300 as well. Same fields that you would fill out, and then you just send that hotel savings card. They do cover a lot of popular brands, so you'll find that they offer, I think, over a million hotels and resorts all across the globe that these can be used on. So Hilton, Sheraton's, LMO, you name it, they're going to cover it. And they're really great hotels, right? So you're not restricted to anything. Similar to the vacation incentives, your clients don't have to go, your clients and your customers don't have to go through any sort of pitches or timeshare presentations. That's definitely something that a lot of people ask with Marketing Boost, but you don't have to do that whatsoever. Just activate the hotel savings card, choose your hotel, and book it. Same thing with the vacation incentives. You choose your, you choose your dates, you show up, you get the room, you're done. You don't have to pay for those, or you don't have to show up to any extra timeshare presentations. Now I'm going to jump back over to the vacation incentives because I forgot to mention that with these, your clients typically, for some of the locations, will have the option to upgrade their stay. Typically, this includes a small fee, but if they want to upgrade to a better room or have some sort of like all-inclusive service at a resort, either it's a fee and or a timeshare presentation. But for the basic vacation incentive that you're going to be giving them, it's typically a 4 or 5 star hotel or resort. Again, no timeshare presentation. So I want to make that very clear for everyone, because that will scare some people off sometimes. But don't worry about that. These hotels are very high quality. You can take a look at all the reviews that they have and testimonials from millions of people that have used this service in the past. What I also really like about Marketing Boost is they not only provide all these incentives, but they also give you a ton of awesome resources. If we take a look at the resources tab here, they provide you with banners, videos for as far as like marketing goes for your website. They also provide you with a variety of landing pages, all the terms. So when you want to put those terms on your website or print them out for people, they'll have those. And then what I really like is that they offer integration. They actually have an API that you can use to integrate with your landing pages or your website. So when someone opts in or purchases something from you, you can automatically send them, a vacation incentive or a hotel incentive. You can also use Zapier to do this. So if the API isn't connected through your software that you use, just use Zapier, and it all works very seamlessly. I do this constantly for most of my funnels. It all just goes through. I don't even have to worry about it. It's all generated for me. Another great resource that Marketing Boost provides to all their members is the bonus training and webinar. So they have these Ultimate Marketing Secrets package here. So you can learn about Facebook advertising, Instagram ads, and YouTube advertising. And these are all full-blown courses that normally you'd have to pay extra for, but you get that inside of your Marketing Boost package. And then also all the success and training webinars. Typically they have them, I believe, once a week. And then they have all the old webinars, all the replays inside as well. So those are all really high quality webinars, great information inside every single one of those. Now let's take a look at the different packages that you can join Marketing Boost under. So jump over to here. And as of recording this video, they have 3 different packages. As I mentioned previously, they have a Platinum, which is great for any agencies. So you can have up to 5 different brands that are listed. You can give away all unlimited vacation incentives, all the different restaurant certificates, dining certificates, everything like that. It's very similar to what the Gold plan is, except the Gold plan you can only offer one brand. So just your one business name or your personal name, and that's it. So if you're an agency or you have multiple different brands that you want to use this for, definitely go with the Platinum. Otherwise, Gold is probably the most popular because, again, you can offer those unlimited vacations and incentives. Now, if you take a look at the Silver, you can see that you cannot offer unlimited vacation incentives. You're only limited to 10 vacation incentives per month versus unlimited. So I always say go with the Gold or Platinum because you don't want to limit yourself to just 10 per month because you're essentially shooting yourself in the foot. You want to be able to grow and scale with your business. So that's why I go with the unlimited option. You'll also notice with these plans, you have the option to use a vacation for you and your family. With the Gold and Platinum, you can use a USA vacation and a international vacation, whereas with the Silver, you can only use a USA vacation. You can see the prices here. So the Silver starts at about $25 a month, the Gold is about $42 a month, and the Platinum is about $83 a month. You'll pay that annually, so Platinum is about $1,000 for the year, Gold is $500 for the year, and Silver is about $300 for the year. Now, again, this is tremendous value because all these corporations in the past had a stronghold on the incentive-based industry because it was super expensive to go out and send your customers or clients on these vacations. But again, that's no longer the case because for $1,000 a year, or even just $500 a year, you can send unlimited people on unlimited amount of vacations. And you can do that every single year. So that's just outstanding for your business. And it's really going to help you stand out from your competition. Now let's jump over and take a look at some of the testimonials from people that are using Marketing Boost. And just a quick testimonial from myself. I've been using Marketing Boost for about a year. And in 2 weeks' time, I used Marketing Boost to generate over $20,000 in affiliate commissions for a launch that I did. And that was the first time I really saw the potential and power behind this because no one else in this affiliate launch was doing what I was doing. Obviously, that $20,000 profit paid for my, $500 a year membership. So let's jump over here. And you can just see some of the results from other members. And these are people in all sorts of different industries. You have people that are coaches, you have people that are agencies, you have people that are car dealerships. Any industry can use this to generate additional income. So if we keep scrolling down here, they have hundreds of testimonials, not just from their members, but also, and you'll see that on their homepage, you'll see testimonials from all the people that have taken trips. But again, here we surpassed last year's donations by $14,000 just by using Marketing Boost, 104 leads. It's crazy how easy it is to implement this into your business because it's just a simple integration and a simple addition to your current offer. Hopefully you guys found this review video for Marketing Boost helpful. I hope it helps you understand Marketing Boost a little bit further and if it's going to be the right tool for you or not. If it is and you want to try it out, there is a link below this video. Feel free to use that. That is my affiliate link. I would appreciate the support. And don't forget that when you sign up, you do get 1 or 2 vacations to use yourself. So that's tremendous value in and itself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification to receive updates anytime I post new videos. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and if you're going to be using Marketing Boost in your business.